Hey guys, this is Jeff. Jeff Vegetable Gardening and Containers down here in, sorry about that, in Florida. Working on the shower product. You see I backfilled that whole line I ran the other day. I put pea gravel up halfway up the pipe underneath it to settle that pipe in that hole the way I wanted it to, because it's higher to the ground, give it something underneath it for support. And that's all run over here. I got the tractor over there today. I've been digging everywhere, putting the other lines in. You can see the first thing I do is rip that stump out. It was right in the middle of everything. What was that thing? That's some type of cherry fruit tree, but that thing was hell getting at it. But we finally got it out, and it's a little low here, but I got to spread this dirt all around a little bit with the loader. You can see over here where we dug the old grapefruit tree out, and it was down in there too. I got to backfill that, and I got to trench this whole side over here yet. I didn't get to this yet. By the time I got the loader this morning and got down the ditch and ran the pipe and everything, we'll go over here, and then we're gonna come back around. Oh look, she picked up all them sticks and everything. Pretty cool. Good. It's one of the other trunks there that was in the ground, but once I got underneath, I could get it pretty good. There's some taters and some squashes growing there. Of course, the guava, you can see the ditch here running down right there. So it's like 60 foot of pipe running from here all the way down and in and tied together. And this piping they sell for this stuff is just like when you're doing a French drain around your basement stuff, you can use it in the ground. They tell you, so I'm giving it a shot. We'll see. I hope I don't have to dig it again. You see the old lines, they buried right there at the ground level. These guys put it in years ago. And the amount of roots and pipe out of rip out there incredible. You see that's where it comes from, the shower, drops down, ties into that T. I screwed every fitting, everything together, because I didn't, even though it snaps together, it doesn't seem to snap real good. I know if you lay it, dirt lays on it and all that, it's supposed to stay together, but you can see down on everything. I screwed the caps snap in on the end, but I screwed everything just to be double safe, so I could follow it all the way up and think it's not going to come apart to the ground. So I got to get in here now and backfill the rest of this trench up, kind of get it leveled off a little bit, and then I'll get it with my hand tamper. I'll do like this other line I did there, and little by little rake it in and tamp it, but I'll get most of it right back in with this this little like bobcat thing here. But I'm going to start putting the dirt back in now, like I said, with this thing, and keep her moving. See if I can get this closed back up and maybe get lucky enough to get the other ditch at least dug out tonight or today. We'll see. It's I think I got enough time to at least get it dug out. Maybe some pipe, I doubt it. Hopefully we can get something done there going that way. But just wanted to give you an update. This is like the phase 2 of it. I'll get this filled back in, and I'll have to, like I said, do the same thing as I did over there. This one you don't have to use stone on, because it's got the foam and it's got you see that white coating? It's like a cloth, stretchy cloth, and it's got them plastic beads or foam beads all around the pipe, so it protects it and everything. So I don't have to use stone on this one, and it allows it to seep out quicker too. So, we should be in pretty good shape that way. And this is probably at top a foot down, probably 16 to the bottom of it, 18 to the bottom of it. And these trees are higher, but any water you get down here gets it from running all over the yard in the heavy rain. But then when it does get heavy and we're taking showers, we're out here doing during the heavy rains they get down here in the summer, man, it'll just come down here soak right in the ground. That's just better for everything I got back down here growing. If I'm not here, something's going on, I got water going in here, and otherwise I can, granted, I'm still probably going to go back and run water underground all these, but I'm not going to have time for the amount of time I got this trencher for this time. So I'm just going to get the drains all run into everything and tied the way I got to the back 2 gutters, and then we'll go from there and see what we got left. I was gonna run the water lines right in with the drain line while I was there and put gravel around, but since I didn't have enough gravel and I didn't want to get another thing loaded up, I'm just gonna work around getting this done. Then I can put the water in later if I have to with just a ditch witch, because I got to get a ditch witch for in the house, because I got to take power from that end of the house because the panel's down there and it's all run under the ground. And to go up through that attic is just a pain in the ass. Floor of the house. So I was going to trench from there up to close to maybe 8 foot from the shower, trench it, run some outdoor rated Romex and some seal tight and just run underneath, and that'll give me a power circuit while I got the trencher. I'll probably just trench some water lines out here that I can run my run water out to this stuff eventually too, but it's not going to happen this time. All right, guys, have a good one. Don't forget to go out, like and subscribe. We'll be back after we get this ditch filled in. We'll start digging over this other side so we can get the drain lines down there and get it tied back into the gutter over on that side, and then we'll have to just keep, like I said, keep raking and leveling and getting everything done over here, and then we'll seed and get everything back to where it was. All right, guys, have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Go out to all the YouTube, Facebook, all the different pages. All right, see you.